Right. Hey guys, this is the first episode of a Oya University series where we will have one episode talking about how to build a specific agents on Oya. In this example, we're going to show how you can build your own version of Lovable or Replit. To do so, you can just need to create an account and then come to the agent filter. You start with writing like build a web builder, as simple as that. The Oya engineer will take that and define your plan, and then it will decide to either to use existing skills from the catalog that you have, or you might decide to build something new based on the machine that you have. In this case, in this example, it decided that I should connect my Gmail and a ClickUp. I only connected my Gmail, but for the sake of the demo, let me also click my ClickUp as well. Gonna come here. Now it's connected. Now, after that, once you see your requirement and you're happy with it, you say build it. What the Oya engineer will do, it will go define the agent, the persona, the prompt, and the grounding rules and all that. Then it will start attaching the skills needed for it. As you can see, I added like theme factory, UI, UX, etc., etc. Also, it will ask you to connect the tools that needs. After you do that, you click on Rest and Playground. This is where basically you're gonna simulate an actual usage of this agent. So I'm gonna say create a website of Oya AI. What it will do, it will take that. Now think of this as an end user using your agent, right? It will go fetch the URL, try to understand it. Then it will call the UI UX design system. It will understand the contents, define the theme, the properties, and all that. Then it will hand it over to a theme factory, which defines how the theme should look like. And then it will generate the needed files. Then it will hand it over to the web engineer themselves, or the web artifact skill. And it will generate the website. Let's give it a second. As you can see here, now it handed over to the web artifact. It created the project, and now it's actually building the web application. And the beauty of this is that you have full visibility, everything is happening. As we all know, like all Oya agents have a serverless infrastructure. So this agent has its own remote compute sandbox that is actually using. It has a list of skills that uses in order to work and do the deterministic approach. And we're gonna dedicate one episode just to talk about how the skill-based system works, but in very simple terms, each skill is a combination between a Python file, skill.md file, and toolkit schema that teaches how the LLM how to work with it. You also have the connections here, which are basically the SaaS products that you want your agent to communicate with. The schedule, if you want to define a routine for this agent to work with. Knowledge bases, any policies you have on recent trends. You also have the evals, right? So if you want this agent to start getting better over time, all what you have to do is to enable the auto improve mode. Then it will start monitoring its own execution, and whenever it does something good, it will keep it in memory and gets better over time. You can also define some of the evals that the agent will run against in order to measure performance, or you add your specific one. So as you can see here, it already created a website for us. It live on actual URL. It already understood my theme by reading the website, and it's a full flown application. Now, if you want this agent to be used somewhere else, you can come here, add an API endpoint for it. It's called right. And that's it. Now this agent can be called from curl or Python or TypeScript or Swift. Now it's worth mentioning that this is an OpenAI-compatible API. All what you have to do is just convert the URL. That's it for the web builder. We're gonna do more episodes about other agents. Thank you.